Hey guys, DRAG here, and now I want to do a quick unboxing of this JOEYANK fidget toy. So it comes in this pouch thing, and also this little other bag case. And there it is. That's how it looks like. And the cool thing about this is really high quality. It's not too heavy, and it feels cool to the touch. It's kind of like titanium. And you're supposed to just like use one hand and fidget with it, and it's really good. Kind of addicting actually. The more you do it, the better you get at it as well. And I love how cool it feels. So it folds in multiple ways, as you guys can tell. It's very foldable, so it's easy. You can do it with two hands. You can do it with one hand. I like to do it with one hand myself. And yeah, just getting the hang of it. But if you keep fidgeting with it, you're gonna be an expert in this thing, like in no time at all. It takes no effort whatsoever, and it's very, very distracting. So if you are sort of an anxious person like I am, this and how cool it feels is kind of like a sensory touch to it, if you will. It just breaks that pattern and stuff, and it's really good. It distresses, and it's really good quality. I don't think this will, go anywhere. It looks nice and shiny, looks beautiful, and like I said, folds in multiple ways. You can use it with any hand that you want, and yeah. That's it, and I like this case that comes with it. So once you're done, you can simply store it back in there, close it up, just like that, close it up. Now it's ready for your next fidgeting session. Take care, guys. Bye.